Hello, my name is Pragnesh Shah. By profession, I am an educator, founder of an education center, and teaching to approx 1,000 plus students across the Mumbai in various coaching classes, colleges, engineering, and BSc in IT. So basically, I am into the college section, and as and when students joins the first year of either engineering or BSc in IT, they comes to our coaching classes. And as and when I interact with them, what I found is that what they share with me is that what they did, the mistakes, how they caused the success, how their experience with the coaching classes. So all this inspires me to keep the seminar immediately after the 10th, so that you will not do that kind of the mistakes which they have done. So basically, I am trying to play a role between your seniors and you. So as the board has declared ICSE as well as CBSE that the 10th board exams are not going to be anymore. So you have been promoted and many congratulations for that. So abhi kuch students are very happy, some are sad and some are confused, as well as parents. उसमें का एक parent मैं भी हूँ in fact, but I am not confused. By the way, I am very clear. So being an educator, being a parent, I am inviting you people to meet and let's find it out what are the options available, particularly in the science, because that is the one area which is my expertise. So those students who are very clear about commerce or arts or maybe something else, this webinar is not for you. So this is only for the science students. And what kind of the things which we are going to discuss, I am going to give you right now. Or maybe those students who are confused between science or commerce, they can definitely welcome and they check out what is possible here, what are the options. If somebody has given the wrong myth or truth about the something science which is not in fact true, which you can ask me or some other parents as well. So this is kind of the questions or kind of the subjects which we have choose here is that what after 10th, whether it's 11th and 12th to pursue or diploma engineering. If 11th and 12th, then how to choose the coaching classes, because I am not conducting, by the way, any coaching classes for 11th and 12th. So हम लोग कोई promotion activity नहीं कर रहे. Or if you want to choose the coaching classes, whether it is going to CET के coaching classes में जाना चाहिए कि IIT के coaching classes में, then a kind of questions whether you have to join the integrated college or full-time college and many more. It will be, of course, a platform where the parents can ask whatever the doubts they have regarding the science, or students can very well. Some students are asking to me in the last 2 or 3 days, what is the branch called data science? What is the branch called electrical and electronics? So these kind of the things also can be discussed. So I invite you, everyone, please fill up the Google form, which is compulsory, which is given in the WhatsApp link. And let us meet on Thursday evening, 8 o'clock to 9:30. That is 22nd of April. Till then, see you and take care of yourself.